In front of us, we have the latest and greatest 14.9-inch Android head unit, a device that is capable of running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. However, to ensure that you're getting the best user experience, there are some key settings that you will need to do, especially the first time that you're running it on your phone and on the device. Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan. I help people upgrade their cars, and from time to time I'm hearing stories of people having difficulties in configuring these devices. So this video is aimed at helping you guys to do just that. Should you want to work with me directly, links are available in the description. I'm UK based, and more than likely, if you come to us in Swindon, I will be able to fix your Android units and get the best settings available there. Okay, the things that you could do at home by yourself are as follows. At step number 1, you want to ensure that your Android device is disconnected from the Bluetooth of your vehicle. To do that, you go to your setting area, connections, Bluetooth, and you need to identify the connection to the vehicle. It is usually BMW and a series of numbers. Click on that a little bit, and we need to unpair the phone from that connection. Once that is done, at step number 2, we go to the Android head unit. We identify the app that is in charge of doing the screen mirroring and the CarPlay or Android Auto. We click on it. In this case, it's M-Link. And key thing to notice, on our left we have this little button, and we are able to toggle between CarPlay and Android Auto. Without having the correct setting over here, we're not able to get the right output on the main screen, and many people get confused by using screen mirroring and something Miracast. We select Android Auto for this one. And after that, I would suggest to go in the menu, in the settings, and explore if you need to switch the steering wheel position. That will change the position of your main buttons, time, and updates, the notifications. With the CarPlay, I've noticed that sometimes I need to flip it the other way around. Android Auto is quite good, and it's relevant to keep it exactly like it is on the vehicle. And I almost forgot, you want to click the connect automatically toggle and it will work. So we have done these settings. We go back to the main menu. The following step will be to actually connect the phone to the Bluetooth with the name that is displayed on the screen. If your unit is something different than Extrons, you will want to explore and use that name. Now, in my case, I want Extrons. I allowed the phone to connect to it. And like magic, everything works. Everything is available on the screen. The things are running smoothly and are exactly in the right place. Now, many of you would stop over here, but in my experience, the sound quality straight out of the box might not be the correct one. So try this. You pull from the top. You get this menu, you pull a little bit more, you click on volume. You move this toggle to a value that ensures the sound that you enjoy. Because my vehicle has a custom DSP, digital sound processing amplifier, with a certain calibration, the values that work for me on Android Auto is 24, 25, and for Apple CarPlay, I'm at 15. Your vehicle might be different, and different values might work better for you. If you want to see how I've done this install on the vehicle, maybe you find out something that you have done differently, this video over here might help. If you need my help, links and contact information will be available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.